This is a plate 2 for the SpaceX Raptor engine. These are the fuel pump parts. It took 1 hour to print. So the previously I had printed the cone parts, and now I have printed the fuel pump parts. Fuel pump I have printed with the PLA silk. It came out good. For this support, I'll remove the support. In the last print, so this part has not come very well, which has due to the speed, this portion has not printed very well, so I have to reprint this part. This is a plate 3 and this part took 1 hour to print. It has there was no support in the 3D print model, so I had provided the support, and has come fine. I need to remove the support. So this is the slot to add it on the top, and next let's print other plates. This is a 4th plate. Now 2 more plates left, so once the 2 more plate is done, then I can start doing the assembly of this rocket parts. This is the last print for the Raptor engine. This one I had printed in the plate 1, but in the plate 1 it didn't come well. So what I did is, for this print I have reduced the speed. So this was the first plate print. In the first plate print the speed was 300 mm per second. For that reason this end didn't come well. So in the last print the print came very well, and the speed was 8 mm per second. This one I'll throw it away. And other prints are the one, so it came out easily. So in the next part I'll start doing the assembly of this rocket engine.